In the late 19th century, Japan stood at the crossroads of history as the Meiji Restoration propelled the nation towards rapid modernization, challenging centuries of samurai tradition. This era of transformation introduced railways, telegraph systems, and Western institutions, igniting a cultural and technological renaissance across Japan. Yet, not all welcomed the relentless march of progress. The samurai, guardians of Japan's ancient warrior code, viewed these changes as a threat to their very way of life. The Satsuma domain in Kyushu became the heart of the Samurai Rebellion, as disgruntled warriors rallied under their leaders to oppose the Meiji government's reforms. The Satsuma Rebellion culminated in a series of brutal conflicts that pitted the ancient samurai against the modernizing forces of the Imperial Japanese Army. The rebellion's defeat marked the end of the samurai era, as the Meiji government's victory solidified the path towards a modernized Japan. Today, the legacy of the samurai endures in the cultural fabric of Japan, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of its people through the ages.